Today we're going to make Microsoft Edge look good. I mean, with Direct, you'll see that you won't be able to like access this much. I mean, you can edit your background, but you want to make it like your own browser. Like, I understand the browser may be slow sometimes, but let's get onto it. So the first thing you're going to do, Chrome extensions. Yeah. We're going to get extensions for Microsoft Edge, tab list. Since Microsoft is a bit overprotective, we are going to enable this. Perfect. Now I'm going to go on my GitHub to retrieve my settings. Alright, perfect. I'm going to download my PI public radio. Awesome. This is where I have most of my items complete. Now to make my new tab look good, are you going to import my settings? Awesome. I'm going to import my images. Awesome. Wow. Very neat. Now that's over with. Use the theme. You're gonna use a theme. Wow. I mean, never shut up. I mean, it's up to you. With my browser looking good, looking as it is. We got widgets working. Now, every time you open up a new tab, you open up Microsoft Edge, you'll be greeted with the images that you put, along with you can edit your settings if required. If you're familiar with the extension, you can edit your links and make it whatever. I mean, it looks good, right? I mean, you can have a whole variety of extensions and just to make it look right. That's all, guys. Hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Hope this video helps.